Affinity Designer is an amazing, affordable tool for creating vector images. As of right now, it's 50% off normal price, costing only $25, so now is a great time to get started. Plus, it's only a one-time cost, not like the subscriptions that everyone else is doing. So let's take a look at a common use case for using Affinity Designer, making a logo. We're going to do this first by covering the basic setup. By drawing the logo, then we will color it, add some text, and finally export our logo. Let's start by getting our file set up. Open Affinity Designer, click on New Document, and choose literally any template. We recommend selecting a template size you're familiar with, for instance, the ubiquitous 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper size. Click Create. Then go to File, Save As, to save the Affinity Design file in the appropriate location. Click Save. That's set up. Let's draw the logo. How about a simple logo we all recognize to see how easy it can be? We'll start with using the Ellipse tool. You do this by selecting the Ellipse tool, or by typing the M key for the keyboard shortcut. Click to drag to create a circle. While dragging, hold down the Shift key to lock it into remaining a perfect circle. Let's make it about 3.1 inches. If you need to move it, select the Move tool or type the letter V as a keyboard shortcut. Then click and drag to move the object. Now navigate to the Stroke panel, located in the upper right, to change the width of the stroke. In this case, we will do 50 point. Now add a new circle 1.2 inches in size, while holding Shift to make it a perfect circle, and center it inside the first circle. If you have snapping enabled, which is this magnet at the top, it will snap automatically to the center. To change the colors, first be sure you have the correct layer selected. Then go to the Color panel. Make sure you have selected the stroke to change color. It's the one in the back. It looks like a donut. The front is the fill. We have the outer ring selected and stroke selected. You can change colors in several ways. One common way is to use the color picker to select your desired color by simply clicking it, holding it, and releasing on the color you want to use. Then clicking this new color that was selected. In addition, you can use the color wheel to select your color, changing the hues, and even the opacity. If you want even more control, you can double-click on the color in the circle, allowing you to change colors by use of sliders, or simply typing in your desired color if you already know it. In this case, I know my hex color is D6263A. Let's now remove the fill color of the outer circle. It was a default gray. Now it's not. Also, the red we used is available for selection in the Swatches panel. Let's use that for the inner circle's fill color. And remove its stroke. Starting to look familiar? Let's now add our text. You may have to click and hold on the Text tool to see the options. Select the Artistic Text tool. This tool allows you to resize text easily for logos. Choose your font. You can either scroll through the list or begin typing the font you want to get it faster. We're going to choose Helvetica New, and we want medium weight. Click and drag on the canvas the approximate size of your text, in this case around 80 point. This will give you the font size, which can easily be changed later. Type your text. You can resize the text by dragging the corner handles. Wait, something's not right. We forgot to add in the little R thingy. On a Mac, hold down the Option key while typing the letter R. On a PC, do what everyone else does and search type Write's reserved symbol, and then copy-paste it into the text box. Select that text and shrink it down to 20 point. Recenter the text field. And there you have it. Now to export your file, make sure it's ready by first converting your text to curves. You do this by right-clicking on your text and selecting Convert to Curves. This makes sure that the design is locked in place and the font won't change on you by accident when exporting. Now change to the export persona of Affinity Designer by selecting this button. You now select the Slice tool to choose the size of your image. You can hold Shift to lock it to a perfect square, and then move it around to snap it to center. Over in the Slices panel, change the name of the slice to be your desired file name. Hit the drop-down arrow to choose your file type and sizes. Select what you want to export with a check, then hit Export Slice. So we set up the file, drew a basic logo, colored it, added text, and exported it. That was creating a simple logo in Affinity Designer. If you like this video, please be sure to like this video. Then click the subscribe button to be notified of future videos as they are released.